What's going on, YouTube? Another day, another dollar, right? Well, the 408 is in red. Transmission's bolted down. Drive line's in. It fit. Awesome. Motor mounts are done. Get this around here. Okay. Man, this thing looks like I put a V6 in it after having that big block in it. So 408 looks tiny compared to that big block. But there she's sitting in there. Now I get to do all the little stuff, getting everything hooked up. I gotta run fuel line up to here with my with a Holly pump. I put a regulator on, then run over to my carburetor. As you can tell, I got my flex bolts kit in today, so I was able to tighten down that. I got to get a starter still. I'll probably have to wait until next payday for a starter though. Some bitches are expensive. That'll probably be one of the last things I do. Like I said in my other video, the headers fit, and so then I got to build the exhaust out. After I get the headers on, I got to build the exhaust out, and I'm just gonna run them back to the rear end, and then I'll take it up to the exhaust shop and have them finish it out and put it out the back. Try and keep it quiet in the truck, or kind of quiet, and just make it sound mean. But I got MagnaFlow mufflers and 2.5-inch exhaust, so it should sound pretty badass anyway. That's all I really got for today. Let's turn this back. Yeah, so this is it. It's Ole Red. I think that's a horrible picture because I'm got in the sun, and that's in the sun. But there's Ole Red, and hadn't really looked. But I think the front end's come up a little bit. Might have to figure out how I can get that front end a little lower. I gotta look. Maybe get some Dakota drop shackles or something. And get the front end a little lower, because that small block don't weigh near as much as that big block did. So, but anyway, I'll catch you guys later, and have a good day.